Get ready for an epic 4-day adventure through Adelaide. From wandering through the vibrant streets of Hahndorf and enjoying panoramic views at Mount Lofty Summit, to cuddling koalas at Cleland Wildlife Park and indulging in exquisite wine at the Lane Vineyard, we've packed this itinerary with Adelaide's top attractions and hidden gems. Stick around until the end for all the insider tips to make your trip unforgettable. Best time to visit Adelaide. The best time to visit Adelaide is during the spring, September to November, and autumn, March to May months. The weather is mild and daytime temperatures range from 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. These seasons also coincide with major festivals, such as the Adelaide Fringe in March, making your trip even more exciting. Summer, December to February, can be quite hot, with temperatures reaching 95 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's also a great time for beach lovers. Adelaide Airport tips. Adelaide Airport, ADL, is just 4 miles from the city centre, making it incredibly convenient. The easiest way to get to the city is via the Jet Express bus service, costing about $5 for a one-way trip. Alternatively, a taxi or rideshare will set you back around $20. The airport offers free Wi-Fi, numerous dining options, and plenty of charging stations, ensuring a smooth arrival or departure. Where to stay in Adelaide? When it comes to accommodation, North Terrace is the prime spot for tourists. This area is home to major attractions like the Art Gallery of South Australia and the Adelaide Botanic Garden. Luxury seekers can opt for the Intercontinental Adelaide, with rooms averaging $200 per night, while budget travelers will appreciate the comfortable Ibis Adelaide with rates around $90 per night. For a more local vibe, consider staying in the East End, known for its vibrant dining scene and weekend markets. Airbnb options in this area range from $70 to $150 per night. How to get around Adelaide. Adelaide's transportation system is efficient, affordable, and ideal for travelers. The city boasts an extensive bus, tram, and train network, making it easy to navigate. The Free City Connector bus is perfect for exploring the city center and nearby attractions. For those venturing further out, consider purchasing a Metro card, which costs around $10 and includes $5 of travel credit. A day pass for unlimited travel on all public transport costs approximately $8. For a more scenic experience, rent a bike for around $20 per day and enjoy Adelaide's bike-friendly paths. Taxi and rideshare services like Uber are readily available, but they can be pricier compared to public transport. Day 1. Iconic landmarks of Adelaide. Breakfast at the Market Bread Bar. Start your Adelaide journey at the Market Bread Bar, located inside the bustling Adelaide Central Market. Enjoy their signature smashed avocado with poached eggs on freshly baked bread, paired with a velvety flat white for about $18. Early morning. Adelaide Central Market. After breakfast, take your time to explore the vibrant Adelaide Central Market. It's a sensory delight with over 70 stalls offering fresh produce, gourmet cheeses, baked goods, and specialty foods. Sample artisan chocolates or grab a pack of local nuts to snack on later. Insider tip. Don't miss the specialty coffee shops tucked away in the corners for a mid-morning caffeine boost. Morning. Victoria Square and St. Francis Xavier Cathedral. A short walk from the market leads you to Victoria Square, where you can unwind in the peaceful gardens or admire the fountains. Visit the magnificent St. Francis Xavier Cathedral, known for its Gothic Revival architecture and intricate stained glass windows. Insider tip. Check out the local events calendar. Victoria Square often hosts live performances and community gatherings. Lunch at Peel Street Restaurant. Make your way to Peel Street Restaurant for a delicious modern Australian lunch. Try the roasted pumpkin and chickpea salad or their pulled pork tacos, both priced around $25. The rustic yet chic interior creates a relaxed dining atmosphere. Afternoon, Art Gallery of South Australia. Spend the afternoon at the Art Gallery of South Australia, home to an impressive collection of Indigenous and European art. Wander through beautifully curated exhibits showcasing Australian culture and creativity. Insider tip. Join a guided tour around 10 USD for fascinating insights into the artworks and artists. South Australian Museum. Next door is the South Australian Museum, famous for its Aboriginal artifacts and natural history exhibits. Marvel at the giant squid model and learn about South Australia's rich fossil heritage. Insider tip. Don't forget to visit the Discovery Center. Kids and adults alike will enjoy the hands-on exhibits. Dinner at Africola. Wrap up your first day with a lively dinner at Africola, known for its bold flavors and vibrant atmosphere. Indulge in dishes like wood-fired cauliflower and peri-peri chicken for around 40 USD. Insider tip. Their dessert menu is equally impressive. Save room for something sweet. Day 2. More iconic locations in the hills. Breakfast at Fred Eatery. Begin your second day in the lush Adelaide Hills with a hearty breakfast at Fred Eatery, a popular spot in Aldgate. Their shakshuka bursting with Middle Eastern spices and fluffy pancakes topped with seasonal berries are a local favorite. Expect to spend around 20 USD. Insider tip. Their freshly squeezed orange juice is a must-try, and if you're a coffee lover, don't miss their house blend espresso. Early morning, Mount Lofty Summit. Take a scenic drive up to Mount Lofty Summit, where you'll be greeted with panoramic views of Adelaide and the coastline stretching out to the horizon. There are several walking trails to explore, ranging from easy strolls to more challenging hikes. The crisp morning air and stunning scenery make this a perfect start to your day. Morning, Cleland Wildlife Park. Just a short drive from Mount Lofty, Cleland Wildlife Park offers a chance to get up close with Australia's iconic wildlife. Feed kangaroos and emus, and don't miss the opportunity to cuddle a koala for an extra 30 USD. General entry is 25 USD. The expansive park is home to a variety of native animals, including wombats and dingoes, making it a fun and educational experience. Insider tip. Wear comfortable shoes as there is plenty of walking involved, and bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated. Lunch at Uraidla Hotel. Head over to Uraidla Hotel for a farm-to-table dining experience. Their menu features fresh, locally sourced ingredients with standout dishes like gourmet burgers and wood-fired pizzas. A meal here will set you back 20 USD. The quirky decor and garden setting add to the charm. Afternoon, Hahndorf Village. Continue your journey to Hahndorf, Australia's oldest surviving German settlement. Stroll through the charming streets lined with specialty shops, artisan bakeries, and cafes. Don't miss trying freshly baked pretzels and traditional bratwurst sausages. The village also offers art galleries and boutiques selling handcrafted items. Insider tip. Visit inAdelaide for a cheese tasting experience and pick up some gourmet treats to take home. The Cedars. Conclude your afternoon with a visit to the Cedars, the historic home of artist Hans Heysen. Explore the beautifully preserved house and art studio surrounded by serene gardens. Entry is 15 USD, and guided tours provide fascinating insights into Heysen's life and work. Insider tip. The walking trails around the property offer lovely views and are perfect for a peaceful stroll. Dinner at Hardy's Veranda Restaurant. End your day with an indulgent dining experience at Hardy's Veranda Restaurant, located within the luxurious Mount Lofty house. Their multi-course degustation menu showcases the best of local produce, with prices starting at around 100 USD per person. The refined atmosphere and impeccable service make it a memorable way to conclude your day. Insider tip. Reserve a table near the window to enjoy stunning sunset views over the Adelaide Hills. Day 3. Hidden Gems of Adelaide. Breakfast at My Kingdom for a Horse. Start your day with a delicious breakfast at My Kingdom for a Horse, a beloved local cafe with a modern vibe. Their smoked salmon bagel loaded with fresh greens and cream cheese is a perfect way to fuel your morning. For vegan travelers, their breakfast bowl packed with seasonal veggies is a hit. A meal here costs around 18 USD. Insider tip. Grab a seat by the window for great people watching while you enjoy your coffee brewed to perfection using specialty beans. Early morning, Carrick Hill. Head over to Carrick Hill, one of Adelaide's best-kept secrets. This hidden gem features a historic house surrounded by impeccably maintained gardens. Take a guided tour of the house to learn about its fascinating history and the art collection it houses. If you're traveling with kids, the Children's Storybook Trail offers an interactive way to explore the grounds, featuring whimsical sculptures inspired by classic tales. Entry costs $17 USD. Morning, Waterfall Gully. Next, make your way to Waterfall Gully, a tranquil spot known for its serene waterfall and scenic hiking trails. Whether you opt for a leisurely walk around the base or challenge yourself with a trail leading to Mount Lofty, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views and a refreshing natural environment. Insider tip: wear sturdy shoes and bring water, as some of the trails can be steep. If you're lucky, you might spot some local wildlife along the way. Lunch at the Summertown Aristologist. For lunch, head to the Summertown Aristologist, a charming eatery offering fresh, locally sourced dishes. Their ever-changing seasonal menu keeps things exciting, but you can always count on creative options like house-made sourdough and vegetable-forward plates. Lunch costs around $30 USD. Insider tip: ask the staff about their natural wine pairings. They have a fantastic selection sourced from local vineyards. Afternoon, Beaumont House. After lunch, visit Beaumont House, a lesser-known historical site nestled in the suburbs of Adelaide. This beautifully preserved colonial house offers guided tours that delve into its rich past, giving you insight into the region's early settlers. The surrounding gardens are a peaceful place to relax and take in the scenery. Entry costs $10 USD. Insider tip: visit during spring to see the gardens in full bloom. It's a photographer's dream. Glenelg Mine Walking Trail. For a bit of adventure, take on the Glenelg Mine Walking Trail. This off-the-beaten-path trail offers scenic views of the surrounding hills and a glimpse into Adelaide's mining history. Along the way, you'll find informational plaques detailing the area's significance. Insider tip: bring a camera and comfortable walking shoes. The trail is moderately challenging, but the panoramic views at the end are well worth the effort. Dinner at Osteria Oggi. Wrap up your day with dinner at Osteria Oggi, a cozy Italian restaurant that locals rave about. Known for its handmade pasta and rustic ambiance, this hidden gem offers dishes like squid ink linguine and braised lamb parpadelle, priced around $35 USD. Insider tip: their tiramisu is a must-try dessert. It's the perfect sweet ending to your day exploring Adelaide's hidden treasures. Day 4, Adventure in Adelaide. Breakfast at the Pantry on Egmont. Fuel up for your adventure-packed day at the Pantry on Egmont, a local favorite known for its warm atmosphere and hearty breakfasts. Whether you go for their perfectly poached eggs Florentine or a stack of fluffy blueberry pancakes, you won't be disappointed. Breakfast here costs about $15 USD. Early morning, River Torrens Kayaking. Start your morning with an exhilarating kayaking session on the River Torrens. Paddle your way through the calm waters while soaking in stunning views of Adelaide's skyline, lush parklands, and iconic bridges. Rentals cost about $25 USD per hour, making it a budget-friendly and eco-friendly way to explore the city. Insider tip: early morning sessions are best for serene waters and cooler temperatures, so aim to arrive before 9 a.m. Morning, Morialta Conservation Park. For a nature-filled morning, head to Morialta Conservation Park, a stunning destination known for its rugged cliffs, scenic trails, and beautiful waterfalls. Choose from several walking tracks that vary in difficulty, allowing you to get close to the park's iconic first, second, and third falls. Along the way, you might spot native wildlife, including koalas and various bird species. Insider tip: bring a picnic or some snacks to enjoy at one of the park's shaded rest areas. Entry to the park is free, making it a perfect budget-friendly outdoor adventure. Lunch at Rundle Street Eateries. By midday, head to Rundle Street, a bustling hub of trendy cafes and restaurants. You'll find a variety of options from Asian fusion to classic Australian dishes. For something light, try a poke bowl or a gourmet sandwich. Expect to spend around 20 USD. Afternoon, Glenelg Jetty Dive. For a thrilling afternoon, head to Glenelg Beach and take part in a guided jetty dive. This adventure lets you explore underwater marine life, including schools of fish and vibrant coral. Dive tours typically cost 75 USD and include all necessary equipment. Insider tip: if you're new to diving, opt for a beginner-friendly tour with a certified instructor who can guide you through the experience. Dolphin Cruise. Next, join a dolphin cruise departing from Glenelg Marina. This 3-hour tour offers the opportunity to see dolphins swimming and playing in their natural habitat. The cost is around 50 USD per person. Insider tip: bring a good pair of binoculars for an even better view of the dolphins, and don't forget sunscreen and a hat for sun protection during the cruise. Dinner at the Mosely Beach Club. End your adventurous day with a relaxing dinner at the Mosely Beach Club. Set right on the sand, this beachside venue offers stunning ocean views and a laid-back vibe. Their seafood platter, featuring freshly caught prawns, oysters, and calamari, is a must-try and costs around 40 USD. Insider tip: arrive early to grab a beachfront table for the best sunset views and enjoy live music as you dine under the stars. Thank you for joining us on this incredible 4-day journey through Adelaide. We hope this itinerary helps you make the most of your trip, whether you're exploring stunning gardens, enjoying world-class wines, or cuddling kangaroos. If you enjoyed this video and want more epic Australian adventures, make sure to check out our Sydney video for another unforgettable travel guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest itineraries and insider tips. Happy travels!